Hi guys, so I've been here before, Bluff sign, my Bluff tour. So if you haven't seen that one, it's an earlier video, but I'm doing another one today because I don't think enough people saw the Bluff tour. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go around the waterfront over there, then I'm going to go out to the Sterling Point. We're going to have a look around there and just show you a few of the sites, where you go fishing, all that kind of stuff. Alright guys, let's go. Let's get on the road. So yep, this is out where Port Maintenance has their building. It's on the way into town. It's a little spot here you can pull over and of course see the Bluff sign just over there. And then it's a short little leg on the way into town. I might as well stay on the road. No one behind me, so I'll stay on the road, keep cruising. So if you see the harbours there on the left. So I decided just to fast forward all a little bit. So if you see a bit of fast forwarding, that's just me doing my thing. Sweet as, guys. Back to the action. Very busy port, Bluff Port. So there's usually 1 or 2 movements per day. Sometimes there's no movement, sometimes there's 3 or 4. It's a very busy port. Great to see for the economy of Southland. So now we're just going to go down to the left here. And there we go, there we got the port right ahead of us. To get onto the port you need a license or a card that you've got pre-approved rights to be on the wharf. And we're just going to go down to the left here. And down here there's so down here you've got Sanford's and Nahu. It's all seafood companies doing a great job for Bluff, for New Zealand, getting our exports around the world. So down here you've got the old boat ramp. Let's have a quick look at the old boat ramp. And come down and use this one if you want, but you have to pay for the other one. That's the old Bluff wharf. I'll take you over to the new one now. So it's a beautiful day today. Cruising around on the scooter. There's Sanford's on the right. Sanford's mostly running out of Stewart Island salmon. And their wet fish I think has gone up to Timaru. This is quite a popular place to come and fish down on this bridge here. There's a couple of people out there now just having a fish. If you see down there. So it's just one of the spots. Several spots down in Bluff to come fishing. So if you've got nothing else to do, come on down to Bluff, have a go. Check out my shorts, there's a few shots of people catching fish on the shorts. One day I'll make a long about it and do some fishing down there myself. So this is a little bit of the industrial area, where all the engineers and stuff are. A lot of boat building, that kind of stuff. There's another little fishing company around here, processes fish. So just in there on the left. I'll show you what fish looks like on the side of this truck. Looks like a snapper to me. Could be a blue cod. So that's what we have down here, blue cod. And it's one of the best fish in the world, I reckon. South fish, there we go. So this is where the ice comes from. Lots of ice here. I'll stop down here and just have a bit of a look around, but this is where the harbour, where all the boats are moored. I mean, it's a great fishing town, Bluff. We love living here, it's a great spot. People complain about the weather, but the wind just gets you, that's all. The actual weather's not bad at all. So this is us. So this is Bluff Harbor, got the windmills in the background there. Absolutely beautiful day. There's an old Sanford's boat there that we used to go up when I was working at Stewart Island. We used to go up on that boat up to the Big Glory Bay where the salmon farm was. I was a commercial diver over there, so I spent most of my time in that boat. So it's amazing to see it back here in Bluff. Someone else owns it now, it's been refitted. So yeah, Harbour Island, just over there behind all these boats. That's a separate island where all the transport's done, all the boats tie up to, all the big ships, the shipping containers, all that kind of stuff. So it's really good to see. TY across there, of course. They're going to start a Lignite hydrogen plant too, over Matara area somewhere, which I'm not too sure about. It's only got a 25% economy rate, so most of it just being waste. So not quite sure what's going on there. Not many people know about it at all. It's been kept all hush-hush. Anyway, let's keep going, eh? Before we go anywhere, just like to say hello everyone. Thanks for joining. I hope you're subscribed. But anyway, look at this for a spot. You got the bench right here. And look at that out there. Isn't that unreal? Just such a beautiful spot. I love this spot. This is where I come on my scooter just about every time. Right. Just to make the video a bit shorter, I better go. Let's get on the road again. So my channel's been through a recalculation. So hopefully the viewers that are watching now are the ones that are supposed to watch, not just a bunch of random people. So I'm doing a travel channel with a bit of food and not a review channel, just a bit of food in there. And overnight camping as well. So overnight camping's coming, guys, so just remember the overnight camping's coming. I just want it to be put in at the right time, that's all, after the recalculation. Howdy. So coming up here we got the ferry terminal, Royal Journeys. Very busy little ferry going to Stewart Island. Different amounts of times the ferry leaves depending on what time of the year it is. So these guys look like they're all going on a hunting trip down here, or just coming back from a hunting trip. Yep, heaps of action down here. Always busy. Yeah, busy day today. Very busy. Not usually this busy down here. It's definitely like it's a holiday, but it's not. Well, let's go back down to a little fishing spot down here. So there's a public fishing spot. When the petrol boat's in, you can't come down here and fish. You can still fish anywhere else, just not down where I'm going now. So this little spot here is the public fishing spot, and you can only come down here when there's no petrol boat in, or fuel boat or bitumen boat. It parks right over here, so they keep all this clear on those times. Yeah, great wee spot for fishing down here. Always plenty of people down here. So if you go and watch one of my shorts, then you'll see the Barracuda caught off here and a few cods. How's it going? Haven't seen you for a while.
No, I've just been busy.
Busy?
Yeah.
That's it for today, guys. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you for part 2 in a minute. Well, actually, in a few days. Okay, guys. See ya. Bye.